Yeah, hi. My name is Yuvraj. This is a place in Mirjalguda in Malkajgiri. I have been using, it's a home garden, small garden. Whatever place is available, we have been trying to put as many trees as possible, plants basically. And we were facing a lot of problem with pests, and then the plants not growing properly, not flowering and all that. Then that is when we came across Avinja, and we have been using it for almost a year now. The results have been very excellent. The flowering has increased almost tenfold, and the plants are healthy. I mean, not just the flower, but we find a lot of difference in the leaves and fruiting and all that stuff. Especially the leaves look very bright, and the plant is healthy. I mean, you can just look around, and I think it's very suitable for a home garden, at least the urban garden. The product is excellent. Maybe I think everyone who is interested in plants and grow trees in their house should give it a try. Yeah, initially we had a lot of problem using these pesticides and all, which is very complicated to use as well because they are chemicals. There is no such thing with Avinja. Avinja can be used without any fear and without much of safeguard. It is totally herbal, and it is very convenient, and economically also it is very viable. I mean, twice a month if you spray, it lasts for about 3 months, so it is economically also very viable and affordable basically for everyone. Even the middle class can afford it easily, and it's an excellent product. I think it's the best alternative now that everyone is going the organic side. I think even the plants need something organic, and I think this is the best choice. Please make use of Avinja Urban Roots. It's very good.